Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to screen record on your iPhone 16. Let's get started. First off, we swipe from the top right to go to the control center. Then press and hold in a clear space, and at the bottom we have add a control. Just at the top we have search controls, tap that and just type in screen. This brings up screen recording underneath display and brightness. Tap that button and this adds it to the control center. We tap again in a clear space to set that. Next up, press and hold that screen recording button and we have some options. The bottom option here is microphone on or off. This allows us to record with or without sound. Then we have start recording. Let's press this button. We get a countdown at the top and let's just tap here, tap again, and it brings us back to the home screen, and whatever we do is being recorded. And we get an indicator by this red light at the top. So once you're done recording, just press that same red light. It says screen recording. It gives us the amount of time it was recording. Press this button here to stop, and it tells us it's saved it to the photos. We go to photos, and here we have that recorded video. And just to see if sound was recorded, and whatever we do is being recorded, and we get. So that's how you record your screen on your iPhone 16. I hope it's been useful. Please give the video a thumbs up if it's helped. Really helps me out. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and I wish you a great day ahead.